voice. Today we are going on to learn some sitting posture exercises. Padmasana is a very multi-purpose exercise. If you learn Padmasana properly, so many other balancing exercise you can manage well and improve your physical and mental health. Now, first of all, Padmasana is a sitting posture exercise. Now, first of all, how to do that you have to learn. Now, first you have to keep both the legs straight like this, and then first you have to keep the right legs in this position like that. Then second, you have to keep not to directly on your right leg thighs. First you keep on here only in that manners. Then slowly lift it with the support of your hands and tip it down slowly over here. It is a Padmasana. Now you can sit. Padmasana is a main balancing posture. All the parts of the body will get a perfect rest. While you feel too much tired and while you feel not be fit for the mental and physical side, you can sit in this posture for at least 5 minutes properly in these manners. You can feeling so relaxed and you have to be fresh. Now this is the main posture of Padmasana. Now another things in the Padmasana, another exercise you can manage like that. It is called the balancing exercise, and that is called the Sanskrit language. The name of this exercise is Tolasana. Tol means the balance. With the support of the both the hand, you have to lift the body up. At least you have to just start from the 5 second. 5 second, then increase by the practice. You can manage it on your own capacity. Now sit in the Padmasana. How to manage the Tolasana? Keep the both the hands over here out of the knees. First you have to lift with the support of the both the hands, and you have to manage and maintain the balance like this manners. At least you have to start from the 5 second, and you have to manage in the file posture. You have to keep the body straight and in the balance. While your body will vibrate, you will come down. Now this exercise is improve your hand balance, wrist, elbows, shoulder. This is the back center. These all are the main parts of the physical body to maintain it. As well as this exercise is maintains to improve your digestion system. Those who have a big tummy, for to reduce this exercise, reduce the tummy, this exercise is very important. But those who have a hernia problem, they can't. Some exercise you have to get the perfect guidance and then you have to manage. But according to your age student, you can manage this exercise well, and you have to manage this practice of this exercise of yoga regularly in your lifestyle. This is the Padmasana series. Now second exercise, the same manual is there. The first basic posture you have to manage and lift the body up. In the advanced stage, you have to keep the both the hand out of the knees. You have not to leave the Padmasana position. If you feel too much tired and painful in your knees and in the joint junctions, you can relieve the Padmasana for open it for 2 to 3 seconds. Again you have to sit in Padmasana and you have to manage. This advanced technique of this Tolasana is this, to manage it and to lift it like that. At least you have like this. You have to start from the 3 to 4 only. Maintains the balance to get the movement. That is called the hanging posture of the things. While your both the hands are become little strong and manage the balance of your weight of the body on that time, and then you can start this advanced technique. Otherwise no. And while you manage, you have to control the speed of your movement. Another things, this exercise also important. You keep some weight in the Padmasana over here, and while you lift it, it's give you a more benefit. Now another exercise is that is called the Yoga Mudrasana. You have to sit in the Padmasana. After sitting Padmasana, keep the both the hands back, and first you have to inhale. Inhale, you have to hold the breathe and you have to come down slowly. You have to exhale downside. Third, you have to come up very slowly. Your spine must be straight. You have to inhale, and while you come up, on that time you have to exhale. In the Yoga Mudrasana, first you have to inhale, second you have to come down and exhale. You have to stay there for few seconds. Then third you have to come up, inhale, and fourth you have to come down. Now see, one more time. Breathe in, 2, 3 up, 4 only exhale. This is called the Yoga Mudrasana. In some other variation are there, you just keep the both the hand back. You can sit in the Padmasana, keep the both the hands like that, and you also manage another exercise. See, just come down like that. Three up, 4 only exhale. This is the sitting posture Padmasana series of this exercise like that, but you have to follow the sequence to get the more benefit. Now, this exercise is, you can manage this exercise in the half Padmasana also. In the Padmasana position, you can manage fish posture, you can manage balancing exercises, you can manage Tolasana, you can manage Yoga Mudrasana. These all exercises most probably are attached with your digestion systems. Now in some exercise you can manage in the half Padmasana too. In the half Padmasana you have to sit in the half Padmasana. First you have to keep the both the legs straight, and then you have to bend your right leg and keep it there on the left leg thighs. That is called the half Padmasana. Now you manage the Padmasana, this balancing exercise, like that technique you have to use in this exercise. You have to sit in the half Padmasana with the hands here and toes and fingers together, and you have to make it straight like this. Then you have to breathe in, hold the breath, and you have to lift the legs like that. You have to manage 5 seconds, and then you have to come down. This exercise is little tough, but technique wise you can improve the capacity of the shoulder, elbows back, wrist, and the others. Same you have to manage in the other side. You have to keep the right leg straight. Now you have to bend your left hand, and you have to manage like this. Both the hands you should have to keep it over here beside of the body, toes and fingers together, and breathe in, hold the breath. You have to lift the body up at least 5 seconds, then you have to come down, and then you have to inhale. This is the process. Breathe in, hold the breath, lift it up, slowly come down and exhale. This exercise is managed while you sit there only in the Padmasana. The Padmasana series exercises are important for the digestion, important for the back sacral areas to improve the flexibility of your spine, and you can use the Padmasana in the meditation posture also. While you feel tired, you sit in the Padmasana, straight sit down like this, manage the both the left and right side, sit within the posture. Now next sessions we will do something more. Today it's enough.